Hey everyone! So after months on the road exploring new places, we finally got to go back to the place we both call home, Colorado. We headed to Colorado not only to visit family, but also to host a fall color photography workshop.
Now, a little known fact is that fall is one of the top 4 seasons to visit Colorado.
It's true.
Now, of all the workshops we do, I get particularly excited about the Colorado one because we love showing off the state that we call home.
One of my favorite parts about hosting a photography workshop is that when you show somebody something for the first time, it's almost like experiencing it again for the first time. And then being able to help them capture that in their camera is just a very fulfilling experience.
The change of seasons can happen quickly in Colorado, so it's difficult to be there for peak colors. We were fortunate enough to not only be there for the beautiful colors, but to also have a great group of students in our workshop.
From the beginning to the end of a workshop, I not only see students become better, more confident photographers, but I also see them cultivating new friendships that last far beyond the workshop. And I have to admit, it's great to know that I had a small part in that.
Mandy's workshop has been so awesome, and Colorado is just beautiful with the golden aspens, and I love the sunrises coming up over the mountains and the sunsets. It's pretty incredible.
Spectacular. First time to visit Colorado to see the aspens in the fall. It's just been incredible. And Mandy takes us to all the best spots. It's been wonderful.
Colorado is gorgeous. The aspens are amazing. The fall leaves, everything changing, and learning so much in this workshop. It's just really been awesome.
Well, I've really enjoyed the aspens here. I've never really seen the aspens, and I like them from looking at them from this perspective, but I really love walking amongst the trunks.
The vibrant colors, the reds, the greens, the yellows, the waterfalls, and guess what? Mandy took us there.
This is my first trip to Colorado, so seeing this state for the first time, it's an amazing area of the country here. And I would say my favorite part of this is what Mandy offers, is to take me to places that I've never seen before and places that I wouldn't have seen on my own.
Mandy puts us on places that are incredible. I'm traveling with my wife and 2 daughters, and we're just having a great family time and have really loved the whole experience.
So here's to experiencing the change of seasons with new friends. Love and light. How
now, brown cow.
Brown cow.
How now, brown cow.
How now, brown cow.
Okay, I think I got it. Now I can say particularly.